What's up, everyone? Doing an oil change on a 2019 Honda CRV. Alright, so we're underneath the CRV, and you got this skid plate right here. You got some flathead screws you can take out. There's they're not really screws, they're like plastic little clips. Then you got 1, 2, 3 real metal Phillip bit screws, like one goes here. So you gotta take those out, and you can drop this pan down, and voila, there's your engine. So there's your oil filter, and then if you come right pretty much behind that, right there, it says engine oil. There's the drain plug. So we're gonna go ahead and drain the oil, then put the bolt back in, then pull the oil filter off and put the new oil filter in. Then we'll put the skid plate back on, and then we'll put the oil in and lower it down and make sure the oil is at the correct level. So the oil drain plug on this 2019 Honda CRV is a 17 millimeter. Break that loose, and boom. Alright, so as you can see, you got the oil draining into the bucket. She's definitely a little dark. There's definitely time. I recommend, I know on these vehicles they have a thing on inside that tells you your oil percentage. I highly recommend that you change it when it's at 15 and 20%. This color of that oil is when this vehicle is at 15%. So 20% would probably be better. But yeah, let that drain out, do its thing. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and pull this old washer off, this drain plug, put the new one on. Now that's good to go. You can go ahead and tighten your drain plug up with the new washer. Make sure you put the new washer on. And I like to just go like 1/8 a turn. You'll feel the washer kind of crush. Okay, now that's done. After fighting for it, or fighting with it for a few, I finally got it loosened up. I'm not going to record this part, but you guys know what to do. Put your bucket or drain pan underneath, and yeah, I already got oil leaking out. And let the oil go right into that. Then you're going to grab your new filter, put some oil around the rubber gasket, some new motor oil. Then screw the new one in. Make sure she's nice and snug. You don't need to over tighten these things. I hate when people do that. That's just the problem I just had with taking this one off. You know, just snug it up like a 1/4 turn. You know, it doesn't need to be crazy. And then, yeah, lower your vehicle down and add your oil. Plate back up. I put that screw in. I left it a little loose so you can move this plate around where you need it. Then you get this screw in. And this one. Now that we got it in the right spot, now we can snug these right up. You don't have to over tighten these either. Get them tight. Just give them a little twist. We got everything back in, all the hardware. So now we are officially done underneath the vehicle. Take the oil cap off. get ourselves a funnel. We'll put the oil in. Alrighty, we got our funnel. Put our oil in. And we will be good to go. Just make sure you start your vehicle. Let it run for a minute so the oil all circulates around.